Looking at this picture, WE is tangent to circle D at W. So that means you have a right triangle there, which means you have x squared plus 24 squared equals, the hypotenuse is x plus 16 squared. X plus 16 squared means you have to multiply it by itself. So you have x squared plus 16x plus 16x plus 256. So x squared plus 32x plus 256. So you have x squared plus 576 equals x squared plus 32x plus 256. You subtract x squared, that gets rid of the squareds. And then you subtract 256. So you get 320 equals 32x. So 10 equals x. Alright, in here the figure IK is tangent to circle J at K. So you have a right angle. So you have x squared plus 16 squared equals x plus 8 squared. X squared plus 256 equals x plus 8 squared. That's where you got to multiply x plus 8 times x plus 8 and get x squared plus 8x plus 8x plus 64. So it's x squared plus 16x plus 64. And then you subtract x squared from both sides. Subtract 64. So here you get 198. Actually, sorry, 192 equals 16x. And then 192 divided by 16 gives you 12. So x is equal to 12. Here it says if two segments share the same exterior point and are tangent to a circle, so notice BC and AB are tangents and they share the same external point B, so that means they are equal. AB and BC are the same. So for example here, notice AC and BC share the same point C, so therefore these two are the same. So that means 3x plus 2 is equal to 4x minus 3. Subtract 3x from both sides, add 3, so you get 5 is equal to x. So here's the next one, same thing. These are tangents. They come from the same point M, so 5x plus 4 is equal to 8x minus 17. Subtract the 5x and add the 17. So then x equals 7. The round cookies are marketed in a triangular package to pique the consumer's interest. If triangle QRS is circumscribed about circle T, find the perimeter of QRS. Well, remember, if these points are tangent and they come from the same point, that means these two are the same, which means they're both 2, which means that this has 6 left over, and remember these two are going to be the same, so this is also 6, and then these two segments would be the same. So if this is 10, then this also has to be 10. So in the triangle here, QSR, you have 8, 12, and 16. So the perimeter is equal to 36 centimeters. Let's look at the next one. It says same concept. If you have the triangular package, these two are the same, so these are both 6, which means this is 10 here, and these two are the same, so that means that's 10, and then this would also be 12, so that means you have 18, 16, and 22. So 18 plus 16 plus 22 is going to give you 56 centimeters. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. There's some more practice problems if you like to practice, and I will see you tomorrow in class. Have a good evening.